Hi, my name is Othman Jabir. I'm the IT manager of Lafontaine Gourmet, member of Resorts Holding. We manage two fast food chains called Astoria and Alistas, which serve probably the best burgers, sandwich, and shawarma. When we launch our restaurant, at the beginning we decide to go with the digital boards because now it's absolute must-have for any business like ours. And the question how to manage the content. Initially we leaned towards the variant with USB sticks, but I have thought, okay, at the moment we have a couple of locations, and even in this case it will be a really hard time consuming and expensive to change menus and special offers regularly with USB sticks, not to mention dozens of restaurants that are in our plan. What if we could manage all chains instantly and remotely? And that's how we found Look. The deployment was really easy and cost effective since the software works with any Android device and can be connected to our TVs through the CMS. We have purchased an expensive Xiaomi stick and installed Look application player on them right from the Google Play Store, and that's it. No server, no license, and any other high upfront cost. All works from the sticks, and we are truly happy with the results. Look dramatically simplifies the content management process for us. I can change the menu in a couple of clicks in all the restaurants from any place. It's really easy to use, and the solution works just smoothly. Along with all advantages, the pricing looks very attractive, especially considering that you pay less as you grow. Overall, perfect tools for our tasks, the value of which will only increase with the growth of our chain.